If you want to resize a video in CapCut PC quickly and make it fit the exact format you need for TikTok, YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or even a square post, this tutorial will show you the fastest way to do it. Resizing your video is one of the most important steps in editing because the wrong aspect ratio can leave black bars, awkward cropping, or a clip that simply does not look right on the platform you are posting to. In this video, I'll walk you through the process step by step so you can change the frame size, adjust the composition, and make your footage look clean and professional. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and easy editing guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open CapCut PC and load the project that contains the video you want to resize. Once your clip is on the timeline, look just below the video preview player. You will see a button labeled Ratio. This is the control you need to change the overall shape of the canvas. Click on Ratio and CapCut will show you a list of preset aspect ratios that you can choose from. Now select the preset that matches the platform or format you want. For example, if you're making a vertical video for shorts or reels, choose 9:16. If you want a square format for a social media post, choose 1:1. CapCut will instantly update the preview frame to match the ratio you selected. This changes the size and shape of the visible area, so your video now fits a different layout. After choosing the new ratio, your clip may not be positioned perfectly inside the frame yet. That is where the preview screen comes in. Use the corner handles on the preview screen to drag and scale your clip. This lets you zoom in or out and reposition the footage so the subject stays centered and fills the newly cropped frame properly. If the video looks too small, drag the corners outward to enlarge it. If important parts are cut off, move the clip until the framing looks right. Take your time here, because this step makes a big difference in the final result. You want the subject of the video to stay visible, and you want the composition to feel balanced inside the new aspect ratio. If needed, keep adjusting the clip until there are no unwanted borders, and the scene looks natural in the new format. Once everything looks good, play back a few seconds of the video to make sure the crop and scale work across the entire clip. If something shifts out of frame, you can go back and fine-tune the position again. CapCut makes this process simple, so even if you are new to editing, you can resize your video in just a few clicks. So to recap, click Ratio below the preview player, choose the preset you want, and then use the corner handles to drag and scale your clip until it fits the frame correctly. That is the easiest way to resize video in CapCut PC without confusion. If this video helped, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you do not miss the next CapCut tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.